Hi, I'm RJ, and this is for those who hate taxes series. And what we're going to talk about today are the tax compliance if ever the taxpayer would incur salaries expenses. We have learned in the prior session that if a taxpayer makes use of the itemized way of enumerating its expenses, said taxpayer is required to substantiate its expenses and in some circumstances might need to withhold a certain portion of those expenses to be remitted to the Bureau of Internal Revenue. And if that is the case, the said taxpayer is required to encode those expenses in the Alpha List data entry system and issue BIR forms 2307 to its suppliers or BIR form 2316 to its employees accordingly. If we need guidance on withholding taxes, we generally refer to Revenue Regulations number 11, series of 2018. And if we're going to talk about the manner of withholding taxes from our salaries expense, we jump to section 6 of the said Revenue Regulation. Now, ano nga bang dapat gawin ni taxpayer if he incurs salaries expense? First, syempre, mag-prepare muna siya ng payroll and i-release ito sa kanyang mga empleyado. Second, he needs to prepare BIR Form 1601C every month. Now, 1601C summarizes the taxes withheld from all employees. This is actually prepared by the employer. Take note, that is the summary of taxes from all employees. Hindi pa po natin sinasabi dito kung magkano yung na-withhold na taxes sa kada isang empleyado. Next, after doing 1601C every month, the taxpayer needs to summarize the total amount of taxes withheld for the whole year using BIR Form 1604C. Now, in this case, 1604C shows us the total amount of taxes withheld from all of the employees from the months of January to December. But wait, there's more! Hindi lang natatapos yun sa BIR Form 1601C at BIR Form 1604C. The taxpayer is also required to encode all of these in the Alpha List data entry system kung saan kailangan itong i-download ng ating taxpayer. Yan. Nakita mo yung binilugan ko dyan? Diyan ka dapat mag-encode. Tapos, pagkatapos mo nang ma-encode dun sa Alpha List data entry module, saka mo na po siya isa-submit online sa BIR through the e-submission facility. So, pupunta ka dito sa website ng BIR para dito mo po ma-upload yung mga DAT files galing sa Alpha List data entry mode. And then kailangan mo naman syempre mag-issue ng BIR form 2316 sa iyong mga empleyado. Ini-issue po ito or binibigay ito sa ating mga empleyado every year or upon request ng ating mga employees. Dito na po kapatid, nakalagay kung magkano ang kanilang total income at kung magkano ang total taxes withheld galing po sa kanila. Now, take note, ang pinagkaiba nito sa ating 1601C series ng mga forms is that itong 2316, ito po ay per employee. Pero doon po sa ating 1601C at 1604C, nakalagay po doon yung total taxes withheld from all of our employees. And then finally, masyadong maraming requirement ang ating BIR kasi apart sa pagbigay ng 2316 sa ating mga empleyado, kailangan mo rin bigyan ng kopya ang Bureau of Internal Revenue. So, maaari mo po siyang ibigay or i-submit via DVD or USB or para mas maginhawa sa iyo, ibigay mo na lang via EAFS facility kung saan ito ang online facility kung saan maaari mong ma-submit ang 2316. Actually, pwede mo ring i-submit dito yung mga audited financial statements ng ating mga taxpayers. So, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So, alam na natin ang ating kailangang i-comply kung sasakaling ang ating taxpayer would incur any salaries expense. Remember, pagkatapos ng payroll, prepare BIR Form 1601C and 1604C. Encode natin ang mga data nito sa ating Alpha List data entry system. I-submit itong mga Alpha List sa ating e-submission facility. Magbigay ng 2316 sa ating mga empleyado at ibigay ang isang copy nito sa BIR. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Alam na natin ang mga BIR forms to use and other reports that you need to submit. So if you have any questions, you can post it sa comment section of this video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.